Okay, so right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and just make sure I get all my edges with some white paint. Move this over here, just to make sure it's all covered. Although I do use a pretty decent amount of paint, but I like to make sure that all my edges are coated. So that's what I'm doing right here. Just making sure I go around the edges. I'm just gonna lift this up so I can make sure I can see. Now this would be really good to do, I think, for when you're doing the pearl painting, to make sure that your edges are covered. Everybody do it different. It's just my opinion. Well, this is gonna be a swipe technique, but I still just like to prep the painting, the canvas. So I also have some little canvases here too. I'm gonna go ahead and prep those as well. Just making sure I get the edges. And it kind of gives it, to my opinion, after you get done with your painting, it kind of gives it a waterfall effect on the sides. I don't know if that's the correct term, but that's what I call it. And I kind of actually like that. Some people probably don't prefer that, but it's my opinion. So this is my second one. I'm going to go ahead and prep this one as well too. So normally I like to do one big canvas, and then I also like to do two smaller canvases to match, because sometimes customers will like the fact that you have, you know, more than one canvas that's the same, and that they can pair it real nice in their office space or in their home space. So that's my reasoning for doing it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to pour. Already messy. All right, so I'm gonna go in with some white just to start off. And this is actually some colors that I just recently did, but I'm going to do a white background instead of a black background to see how it comes out. And also just to add to the collection, because I think these are really some pretty colors. So I'm kind of excited about that. This green, so we're gonna go in with some green. I'm also gonna go in with a darker green here. We have a bronze color or copper color. There's some more green here. And let's see. Come over here. Top of green. Do a darker green, copper, another darker green, and then of course the light green, which I think that is a really pretty color. Alright, so let me just and then we're going to go ahead and do a couple swipes. Before I do that, let me just add a little bit more paint to the side, just to carry it on. Alright, here we go. see. And kind of want to do a little bit more of the copper, maybe right here and up here. That green, that light green is actually called a pale green. This green is so pretty. That is really, really popping in this painting. Like, that is really, really pretty. Go ahead and give this a little bit. Go ahead and do the next one here. Probably come this way. I'm not gonna have that much because I'm going the opposite way. That's fine. And then I'm gonna go ahead and stretch it and see if I want to add anything else. Sometimes I go back in and add a little bit more, and then sometimes it be just right. I don't have to add anything to it, so we will see. And now we will begin to stretch. Okay. And then just come back this way. We definitely lost that copper up at the top, but that's fine. Come back this way. And I really, really, really likes it staying intact, so I'm gonna just go back in and do some more swipes. I think I'm back this way with that. I really like this color green, so I'm probably gonna do something to just okay, so right here, I actually I did another swipe over the two green lines that I put down. Um, the video cut out, so I came back in. So just stretching a little bit more here, but this is the finished piece. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you.